Good evening, my dear students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the long form of periodic table, or you can say the classification of elements in SP, D and F block. So first of all, let us observe what is your S and P block elements. So your topic is long form of periodic table, that is in bracket I can write S and P block elements. So this is the general properties or a brief idea of S and P block elements. However, in inorganic chemistry, we have to study separately the details of S and P block elements. The elements are classified in different groups, or better to write in four different groups. Number one is your S block element, and number two is your P block elements, number three is your D block elements, and number four is your F block elements. So number one is your S block element, number two is your P block element, number three is your D block elements, and number four is your F block element. Now let us see what are your S block elements. So the first is your S block elements. S block elements. Those elements whose last electron filled into the S orbital, filled into the S subcell, or you can say S orbital, filled into S subcell or S orbital, are known as S block elements. They are your S block elements. कहने का मतलब कि वैसा एलिमेंट जिसका अंतिम इलेक्ट्रॉन S ऑर्बिटल में फिलअप होता है, तो उसको हम लोग S ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई राइट lithium having atomic number 3, lithium is your 1s2 2s1. So the third electron, which is the last electron of lithium, it will enter into your 2s orbital, that is your S subcell. So lithium is a member of S block. Now the S block elements, further the S block element are further included in two different groups. Number one is your group 1. Number 1 is your group 1 and number 2 is your group 2. So number 1 is your group 1, number 2 is your group 2. The group 1 elements, they are known as your alkali metals. The elements of group 1, they are known as your alkali metals. They are your lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. The atomic number of lithium is 3, sodium is 11, potassium is your 19, rubidium is your 37, cesium is your 55 and francium is your 87. However, the elements of group 2, they are known as your alkaline earth metal. They are your alkaline earth metal. The members are your beryllium with atomic number 4. Next is your magnesium with atomic number 12. Next we have calcium with atomic number 20. Next we have, after calcium, we have beryllium, magnesium, calcium, then strontium, atomic number 38, and then again we have barium, that is atomic number your 56, and the last is your radium with atomic number 88. Again, you see the periodicity in property. Now, what is periodicity? Means reoccurrence of property after a certain interval. भाई हमने मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ में देखा कि आफ्टर अ सर्टेन इंटरवल देयर प्रॉपर्टीज विल रीअकर, देयर फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी बिकम्स सेम. So whatever the property of lithium, the same is the property of sodium and the same is the property of potassium and rubidium, cesium and francium. Now see, they are at interval of 8. Again they are at interval of 8. This will be at interval of 18. Again this will be at interval of 18 and this will be at interval of 32. And you know the number 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. These numbers means the number 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. I hope you know these numbers are known as your magic numbers. कोई पूछे कि भाई ये जो नंबर है इनको क्या कहते हैं? Then the answer is these numbers are your magic number. इसी को हम लोग मैजिक नंबर कहते हैं. So these are the elements of your S block. Now what is the general characteristics of your S block elements? So next is your general characteristics of S block elements. General characteristics of your S block elements. Number 1, the general outer electronic configuration. The general outer electronic configuration is NS122. Now what does it mean? It means that if the electronic configuration of NS1, then it is S block element. However, if the electronic configuration of NS2, then it is also a S block element. For example, if we write sodium, the outer cell configuration is your 3s1, while for magnesium 12, it is your 3s2. Because if we write sodium, sodium is 11, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. तो देखिए इसका जो लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन है 11th इलेक्ट्रॉन वो s ऑर्बिटल में इंटर कर रहा है यानी कि 3s में. दैट्स व्हाई सोडियम इज ए मेंबर ऑफ s ब्लॉक. और अगर आप मैग्नीशियम की बात करते हो, मैग्नीशियम 12, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Again the 12th electron, that is the last electron of magnesium, it will enter into your s orbital. So again it is your s block element. So it is 3s1, it is 3s2, where n is your outermost cell, that is 3. तो 3s1 भी s block हुआ, 3s2 भी s block हुआ. Similarly 4s1 will be s block, 4s2 will be s block, 5s1 will be s block and 5s2 will be s block. 5s1, ns1. ns1 means it is your alkali metal. If the configuration is ns1, it is your alkali metal, and if ns2, then it will be your alkaline earth metal. If it is your ns2, then it is your alkaline earth metal. Now the second point is all of them are soft metals. सभी आपको सॉफ्ट मेटल होंगे. दैट्स व्हाई यू नो सोडियम इज वेरी सॉफ्ट. इट इज केप्ट इन केरोसिन एंड वी कैन इजीली कट with a sharp edged knife. So all of them are soft metals. Third point, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. I hope you know what is the meaning of good conductor or bad conductor. Need not to explain in detail. The fourth point, they form mainly ionic compounds. You know what are ionic compounds and what are covalent compounds? Means they form ionic compound means they form ionic bond. Why they form ionic bond? Because they can easily lose electron. Because they can easily lose electrons. So they will lose either one electron or they will lose two electrons. There is exception. The exception is your mainly lithium and beryllium. They form mostly covalent compounds. Means the covalent compounds are of mainly lithium and beryllium. However, other s block elements, they mainly form your ionic compound. The next property is their chemical reactivity. Suppose it is fifth one. Their chemical reactivity increases down the group. Their chemical reactivity increases down the group. For example, if we consider alkali metal such as your lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, तो आप कह सकते हो कि ऊपर से नीचे इसकी जो केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी होगी वो बढ़ती जाएगी. मीन्स यू कैन से फ्रेंसियम विल बी मोस्ट रिएक्टिव alkali metal while your lithium will be least reactive. So lithium is your least reactive, while francium it is your most reactive. So francium is your most reactive, means you can say the reactivity increases down the group. One more important property is, whatever be the point, whether it is point number 5 or 6, doesn't matter. They impart characteristic color. They impart characteristic color when heated in flame. When heated in flame. आपको बता दें, इसमें मैक्सिमम वैसे होते हैं जो फ्लेम टेस्ट देते हैं. जब आप हीट करिएगा एल्कली मेटल को, देन दे विल गिव यू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कलर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सोडियम इज योर गोल्डन येलो. इफ यू हीट सोडियम, इट विल गिव ए येलो कलर. If you heat potassium, it will give your a violet color. So they will give a particular color. That's why we can say they impart a characteristic color. Next property is, that is seventh property, they have a tendency to lose electron. They have a tendency to lose electron. You know, alkali metal is your NS1, where N is outermost shell. It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, like that. And your alkaline earth metal, which is your NS2. So the alkali metal, it will lose one electron and form M plus. M हो गया alkali metal के लिए. जब यह एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा तो उस alkali metal पे एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा. जैसे सोडियम एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज किया तो इसके ऊपर एक प्लस चार्ज आ गया. However, this alkaline earth metal, it will lose 2 electrons. It will lose 2 electrons and form ion like M2 plus. जैसे आप बोलते हो ना कि ये मैग्नीशियम है तो इसके ऊपर 2 प्लस चार्ज आ गया. क्यों भाई मैग्नीशियम के ऊपर 2 प्लस चार्ज आ गया? Because it will lose 2 electrons. Similarly, we have calcium. Calcium will lose 2 electrons and therefore it will form divalent cation. It will form monovalent cation. This M plus means it is your monovalent cation. And what is this? This will your divalent cation because it will lose 2 electrons. Now it means alkali metal will show an oxidation state +1. इसी को आप चाहो तो दूसरे वे में लिख सकते हो. Alkali metal will show, all alkali metals will show an oxidation state +1. एट प्रेजेंट आप ये जान लीजिए कि ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट मीन्स उस पर क्या चार्ज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लिथियम +1, सोडियम +1, पोटासियम +1. सो दिस इज योर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, मीन्स द चार्ज प्रेजेंट ऑन इट. However, alkaline earth metals have oxidation state is equal to +2. जितने भी अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल हैं, जैसे मैग्नीशियम इज अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल, it has 2 plus charge, it has 2 plus oxidation state. Temporarily अभी आप यही समझिए कि oxidation state is nothing, it is simply the charge present on metal. यहां पर जो चार्ज है वही उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट होगी। बाद में हम लोग डिटेल पढ़ेंगे। कैल्शियम दैट इज 2 प्लस। So this is all about your S block elements. Now in next video lecture I will discuss P block elements.